Uh, just introduce yourself and just you can express that where do you work, what do you do.
Okay. See, myself, my name is Nivedita Kasliwar. I have completed my CFA and MBA from ICFI Business School. I've previously worked with India Infoline as an relationship manager,
Yes.
but now I'm interested into equity analyst kind of job. So I found this Kansai consultancy as my breakthrough, through which I can actually get a knowledge, proper knowledge, database knowledge, and then I can implement that and go ahead for an equity analyst kind of profile.
Okay, good. So I got it. And what do you learn in this workshop, like in this equity research workshop?
Many things on a broader perspective, actually how to look at the company, how to take the financials and implement, how to forecast the things, how to read annual reports, implement on your self, what is the future of the company about, is it good or it's a buy or sell, how to read the transcripts, what are the crux of the company. Basically, Kansa has given a direction, have to look into the company. It
Okay.
has given a
How to read it and
yeah,
how to
yeah. It
interpret
has
it.
connect the dots of actually how to look at the company in a broader perspective.
Okay, I got it. Uh, Acha. And do you think that this workshop will be beneficial to get jobs in equity research?
Yeah, I think definitely, because when you read actually, when you are into learning, it's only about learning, but through Kansa we got to know what is a practical approach to it, and definitely it will help in getting job, and it's a broaden your views, so that's why it will help in getting job. प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन, राइट, मतलब अभी तक पढ़ाई करी तो सिर्फ पढ़ाई करने के लिए पढ़ाई करी थी, बट अभी उसका प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन कैसा होता है उस चीज़ का डायरेक्शन मिल गया है, एंड obviously it will help to get a job when people would like to, people while taking a job would check what is your basic knowledge.
Nice,
Now
sure.
it has been refreshed because of this practical approach of concept.
Okay. Also, we like what is you go through report and all things, no?
Yeah, true.
So that you get. Okay, I got it. And how is the support structure of Bonsai Consultancy? What's your experience about that?
Yeah, it was quite good. I mean, support was there, but still, it is on my part. I should put my inputs, and after that, I can ask more help from Kansai to get my work completed.
Okay,
It's like that.
I got it. And
It's
what do
my
you?
responsibility to overcome everything. It's like,
Okay. So like though the support structure, what you are experiencing till now is.
yeah, it was definitely there, but still, I want actually.
Surely I will ask at the end what's your feedback
Yeah,
about
true. But when you take real life applications like financials of a banking sector or any financial of a broking sector company, and if you take a real life example and connect it, it will be a very clear picture then again. Because in the first class, sir had said, okay, don't go for if in some telecom sector or real estate sector, you will get in stuck with that crux. So I just want sir to like be clear with how will we get stuck in it, and how, what are the reasons we overcome over it.
sure, at that moment.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, I got it. So, what do you like to tell to the future participants, like who will be participating in future batches?
Yeah, मतलब सेम as far as my example, मतलब अभी तक पढ़ने के लिए सिर्फ पढ़ते थे, but like what is a practical application, मतलब how to go to a company's profile and get through it, मतलब क्या पढ़ना चाहिए actually through transcripts or investor presentations, तो एक डायरेक्शन मिल जाता है. तो I would like to say like you get a broader picture of how to analyze a company basically. After joining Kansai, I got to learn that. So I would definitely like to tell the students further joining, it would be a great exposure if you get join Kansai and enrich your future. Like,
Good. And the last one, like any feedback you want to give or like you want to share, like you want to express yourself freely.
मैसेज वही वीडियो अगर ऑडियो विजुअल क्लिप्स मिल जाती हैं हम लोग जो क्लास में करते हैं तो वो ज़्यादा बेटर होगा हम लोगों को। मतलब अभी हम लोग क्लास में करते हैं, प्रैक्टिकली अप्लाई करते हैं, अभी के लिए ध्यान रहता है, बट फॉर द फ्यूचर रेफरेंसेस आई वुड डेफिनेटली लाइक टू हैव ऑडियो विजुअल क्लिप्स ऑफ व्हाट वी हैव डन इन क्लास।
Okay.
तो आई एक्सपेक्ट दैट फ्रॉम गंजाय, ऐसा चाहती हूँ मैं।
Okay, good.
तो
Like,
मतलब for future reference if we get stuck somewhere, so it's not all time sir is available or Subrata is available or some things are basic which like we forget over a period of time and there comes a guilty feeling over time कि अभी ये कैसा पूछने का and what sir will think on it, so it's better for a reference if I get
I can understand like this happens and यार बिजी रहेंगे तो कॉल कैसे करें इतने छोटे से
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन
वो
के
एक
लिए।
गिल्ट हो जाता है और मतलब आउट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट वो बिल्ड हो जाता है।
So like surely like we will address this also for our upcoming batches also. So thank you Nivedita, nice meeting.
Same here, sir. Thank you.